This is how you solve Pascal's triangle, using Pascal's triangle. So the first thing you want to look at is your exponent. Our problem is 2x plus 3 raised to the 4th power. So we look at the 4th line where there's a 4 there, and you're going to write those numbers down. 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. The next thing is you're going to look at the first term. The terms are 2x is your first term, and your second term is positive 3. We're going to go decreasing powers, which means we're going to start at 4, then we're going to go to 3, 2, 1, and 0. So we're going to take the first term, 2x, and we're going to raise it to the 4th power. 2x to the 3rd power, 2x to the 2nd, 2x to the 1st, and 2x to the 0 power. Anything raised to the 0 power is always the number 1. The third step is you're going to go increasing powers of the second term. The second term is a positive 3. So we're going to say 3 to the 0 power. Anything raised to the 0 power is the number 1. 3 to the 1st, 3 to the 2nd, 3 to the 3rd, 3 to the 4th. Now we're going to multiply. So I put what your calculator should look like down here underneath when you multiply. You take the 1, put the 2 in parentheses, raise it to the 4th power, multiply by 1, and you get the number 16. And then I'm going to bring down that x to the 4th. So it's 16x to the 4th. Get your calculator and you're going to multiply 4, put the 2 in parentheses, raised to the 3rd power, times 3 to the 1st power, gives you 96. And again, this is an x to the 3rd power. Get your calculator, 6, put 2 in parentheses, raised to the 2nd power, 3 to the 2nd power is 216, and you're going to raise that x to the 2nd power. And then 4, parentheses, 2 to the 1st, 3 to the 3rd, and your answer is 216x to the 1st. And last, 1 times 3 to the 4th is 81. And then you're going to write your answer.